Okay, so in this video, we're gonna start to up our crunches. We're gonna extend the lever of the arms, but we wanna make sure we got the foundation of the core first. So if you're struggling with your crunches, maybe go back to the previous videos, reference those. If they feel okay and you manage to hit around 10 reps consistently, then we're gonna move on to this exercise here. So we're gonna come onto our backs. The primary focus is to engage the core first, okay? So we pre-engage the core before any lift whatsoever. So in our previous videos, we've taken a breath out, and we think about drawing that belly button in towards the core and the ribs down towards the pelvis to get that slight lift of the upper torso and that contraction of the abs. As we come down, we maintain control. In this video, we're going to start to extend the lever of the arms, which is going to put more weight and demand on the core. So from here, I'm going to wrap the arms into place, pre-tense the core. I breathe in, relax. I breathe out. I press my fingers up and away. I lift into my half dish shape. Inhale, come back down with control. Full breath out. As we come up, I'm extending my fingers away from my hips, crunching my belly button into my core, controlling back down. Try to keep grounded through the feet. And we'll go for one more rep. We inhale. And exhale. Come back down with control. Relax off. And we'll come back up. So through our previous videos, we break down how to progress to this progression. And if you're kind of struggling with your core, there's a whole series on core conditioning and strength and stability that will help you with finding stability and strength here, but also within your asana practice. Thank you.